Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing and quick review of a Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. So you can see the box of Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. Now quickly open it. Okay, so here we get a small box. Let's see what we get inside it. Okay, so here we get a quick start guide and warranty card. Unfortunately, no transparent back cover is available. And guys, this is the phone. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type-C cable. Okay, this is a really good thing. Here we get USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and guys, this is charger. Okay, and if we talk about its output, okay, it will give you 9 volt 1 ampere and 5 volt 2 ampere. So guys, it is fast charger, which is a really good thing. And what we get inside it, okay, nothing, empty box. Okay, let's keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone. Let's remove its plastic cover. So you can see. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get 3.5 mm headphone jack, secondary microphone, and here we get volume up and down and power key, and in bottom we get the main microphone, USB Type-C port and main speaker, and here we get the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so it is a really good thing. It supports dedicated micro SD cards. It supports dual nano SIM card with the dedicated micro SD card slot. Here you can see 2 nano SIM card and dedicated micro SD card slot. Okay, and in back it has triple rear camera, 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel and flash over here. And here we get the fingerprint sensor over here on back. And here we get the O display and the 8 megapixel front camera over here. Okay, so now quickly boot up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 14nm octa-core processor. If we talk about the display, it has 6.4-inch PLS TFT HD Plus display. It comes with 32, 3 and 64 4GB RAM storage available, internal storage available. And if we talk about the SIM, it has dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot support. And if we talk about the rear camera, it has triple rear camera, 13 megapixel of f1.8 aperture, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel with depth sense. And if we talk about the front camera, it has 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. It has 5000 mAh battery which supports 15 watt fast charging. And if we talk about the software, it has Android 10 running on One UI 2.0. And for security, it has fingerprint, rear mounted and face unlock for better security. So you can see I have set up the device. The phone is starting. So here you can see the UI of Samsung Galaxy M11. Okay, if we start from bottom, we get the app drawer, bloatware install. You can uninstall it easily. Many bloatware installed here you can see, but you can easily uninstall it. Okay, and if we start from top, we get the notification bar and helpful quick settings. And here we get the quick panel layout, and the brightness setting is also available. Here you can see you can adjust brightness, which is a really good thing. Okay, now quickly go to settings and see how much storage we get out of 32GB. So you can see out of 32GB 20.9GB available. Okay, and now if we go in software information, so you can see it is running on One UI Core 2.0 and the Android version is Android 10, running on latest Android version, which is a really good thing. Here you can see. Okay, And if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of 1 March 2020. Okay, now quickly check its camera performance. It has a triple rear camera, and if we talk about the camera UI, if we tap here, we get filters, you can see, and beauty mode is also available. And here we get the ratio, night ratio 16, 1:1, and full ratio is available. And here's the timer option available. Tap to change its settings. And here we get the flash. Tap to turn it on, off, and auto. And if we go in settings and see the rear video size, okay, it records up to full HD, and auto HDR is also available. Camera modes and shooting modes are available, and shutter sound is available over there. You can also turn it off. Okay, and if we slide here, we get the video. Here we get the live focus, pro, and panorama. Okay, now quickly go to photo and check its camera quality performance. Okay, because I would like to say camera quality is good. Camera quality is good. Here you can see, and if we zoom in, we didn't lose the quality of photo. You can see we didn't lose the details. Here you can see, if we zoom in, we didn't lose the details. Camera quality is good. And if we talk about the color rendering, here you can see the camera quality is good. Let's take another photo. Okay guys, I would like to say the camera quality is good. Okay, and now if we talk about its fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's check this out. And if we talk about the fingerprint, output and it unlock, output and it unlock, output and it unlock. You can see output and it unlock. Okay. Okay guys, I would like to say fingerprint is okay, not good, it is okay. Output, you can see, and it unlock, but sometime it lags. You can see it unlock, output and it unlock. Okay, again put and it unlock. Okay guys, I would like to say fingerprint is okay. And if we talk about the face unlock, I see. Okay, I'm not seeing, I see, it unlock. Try it again. I'm not seeing, you see me, and it unlock. Okay guys, I would like to say the face unlock is really very fast and responsive, but fingerprint performance is below good. You can see output and it unlock, output and it unlock, but sometime it lags. You can see. Okay guys, I would like to say the fingerprint is below average, but the face unlock is really very fast and responsive. You can see a C and it unlock. Samsung will fix it in a new system update, but now fingerprint performance is below average. Sometime it lags, but Samsung will fix it in new system update. So guys, this is the unboxing and quick review of Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.